tiny sand tails.
Hello again, little artists, and welcome back to Dinosaur Month. Last time we dove deep and met Molly, the gentle giant mosasaurus. Our adventure continues today with our final dinosaur friend. Now this one has spiky armor all over his back and head. He might look a little fierce, but I've heard he's actually very kind. Let's go to Emma to find out.
Thank you, Peepo. Our adventure today begins with this picture. A strong dinosaur in a simple land, but his world looks a little plain. So, with a little imagination magic, ta-da! We've given him a whole new world full of desert mountains, colorful cacti, and a bright sun. Now let's bring this amazing prehistoric world to life. Let's start with our new friend Zai, using white and black sand. This amazing dinosaur is an ankylosaurus. Let's name him Spike. Can you all say hello to Spike?
Hello, Spike!
And Spike's story is called Spike the Guardian. Spike was covered in a tough, armored back called armor. Let's make it a deep, strong, dark green. Look at his strong green armor.
Does it remind you of a protective shield?
And all over his head and back were sharp spikes. Let's make them a bright, warning yellow. We'll also color his legs yellow. Because of his spiky armor, many of the smaller dinosaurs thought Spike was grumpy and unapproachable.
Here comes Spike. He always looks so serious and grumpy.
But Spike wasn't grumpy. He was focused. He lived in a hot, dry valley next to these big rocky mountains. Let's color them with gray and brown.
What do you think Spike is being so serious and focused about?
Spike was the guardian of the valley's most special place, this beautiful cactus garden. He loved his cactuses because they were spiky just like him, especially this special purple one. Its orange flowers would later turn into soft, juicy fruit. This was the only sweet, soft food in the whole valley for the little baby dinosaurs. Spike, with his tough armor, could walk among the thorns safely, so he made it his job to protect this precious food source for them. Let's color the other cacti a healthy dark green. Spike spent all day guarding the garden. He would carefully walk on the light brown sand, sometimes stomping his heavy feet thump. Not because he was angry, but to gently scare away any little pests that might try to nibble on his precious plants. Protecting his garden for everyone made Spike feel important.
What do you like to do that makes you happy?
One hot afternoon, as the orange sun was setting, trouble arose. A flock of large, greedy pterosaurs flew down from the sky. They weren't interested in Spike. They wanted to eat all the precious cactus flowers before they could turn into fruit.
Oh no! They're eating our future food. What will we do?
What do you think Spike will do?
The little dinosaurs ran and hid behind Spike. Spike planted his feet firmly. He wasn't scared. He was brave. As the pterosaurs dove down to eat the flowers, Spike turned and swung his mighty heavy tail. He didn't hit them. but the powerful wind from his tail was so strong it scared the flock away. He had saved the garden. Let's color the beautiful sunset sky. We'll use a little purple sand right around his yellow spikes to create contrast, and then blend the rest of the sky with a beautiful soft light yellow. He had done it. Spike had protected the precious cactus flowers with his bravery. He turned around and saw little eyes peeking out from behind the gray and brown mountains. The small dinosaurs who had always thought he was grumpy had seen everything. Slowly, tentatively, the little dinosaurs came closer. They didn't look scared of Spike anymore. They looked amazed. Let's make the happy cloud above them a celebratory blue.
How do you think Spike feels now that the little dinosaurs aren't afraid?
Wow, Spike! That was amazing! You saved our fruit! You're not grumpy, you're our guardian!
You're welcome! The garden is safe. Everyone can share. Safely.
For the first time, Spike didn't feel lonely or misunderstood. He felt appreciated. They finally understood that Spike wasn't grumpy. He was their kind and strong guardian, protecting the most important food source in the valley. Ta-da! Spike the Ankylosaurus is complete. He learned that day that his tough armor and spikes were a wonderful gift, not for being scary, but for protecting the friends and the food he loved. And the little dinosaurs learned never to judge a friend by their spiky cover. What a brave guardian Spike is. Now let's welcome Ava to review the new words.
Review. Ankylosaurus. 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 Armor. 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 Cactus. 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 Sunset. 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 Green. 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 Yellow. 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 Gray. 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 Purple. 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 Orange. Orange. Orange.
Wow! Spike the Ankylosaurus is a true hero. His story is a super important reminder. Never judge a friend by their spiky cover. Sometimes the strongest looking friends have the kindest hearts. I have a question for you. What is one kind and gentle thing you can do to help protect your friends or family today? This was our final adventure in Dinosaur Month. I had so much fun with all of you. If you loved our dinosaurs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time with a brand new magical theme.
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.